Everything is about to be decided in one of the most tense cases between a state and the federal government in recent years. A federal judge has just denied President Donald Trump's request to stop a lawsuit filed by California Governor Gavin Newsom. And that means the case moves forward. The lawsuit accuses Trump of illegally federalizing the California National Guard during the protests that erupted after this year's immigration raids. The key: the use of a law more than 2 centuries old, the Insurrection Act. According to the Trump administration, it was necessary to send troops to Los Angeles to protect federal property and maintain public order. But Newsom insists the situation was under control and that the president acted for political reasons. What's at stake here is not only Trump's power to act during unrest, but also the constitutional authority of states to control their own forces. The judge made it clear that the president's arguments were not strong enough, and that Newsom's claims deserve to be heard in a full trial. The Posse Comitatus Act prohibits the use of the military to enforce the law within the country, except in rare cases. And while the Insurrection Act allows certain interventions, California argues that the requirements are not met. There was no rebellion, no chaos spiraling out of control, and no request for help from the state. So, from Newsom's perspective, Trump simply seized power by force. The trial begins this August 11th in San Francisco, and while there will be no jury, the impact could be enormous. If the ruling favors Trump, it would expand the presidential margin to use military forces on domestic soil. But if Newsom wins, it would set a clear limit on the political use of the military and strengthen the sovereignty of the states. All of this unfolds as tensions over immigration, security, and politics continue to escalate across the country. And every step in this trial could shape the future of how presidential authority is interpreted in times of crisis. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you next time.